Hello. Welcome to Bella Bin's Chinese food kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a recipe of a Chinese style chicken salad. The main ingredients for this recipe are chicken thighs, carrot, onion, lemon, coriander, garlic, and others are shown on this photo. First step, I clean all the vegetables used in this recipe. Cut both ends of the onion, then clean it. Cut both ends from the carrots and peel them and clean them. For the coriander, to get the best clean result, I soak them in the clean water and a little bit white vinegar. Then after 10 minutes, I clean them. Next, clean all the chicken thighs. Next, trim the fat from the chicken thighs. If you don't mind to eat some fat, you can skip this step. Use the paper towel to absorb the water in the chicken thighs. Add in salt, turmeric, olive oil in the chicken container. Do a little massage for chicken thighs. Set it aside for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we cut all the carrots into thin slices. If you don't like carrots in this salad, you can use cucumber or celery instead. The taste of salad is still good. Cut onion into small strips. Press and chop the garlic into small pieces. Now, our vegetables and the garlic are ready to use. I like to put some roasted peanuts in this recipe, but this is optional. You can skip this one. Next, heat the steamer over high heat. Then put all the marinated chicken thighs into the plate on the rack of the steamer. Then cover it, steam for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we turn off the heat, open the cover, and take out the plate and dump all the liquid in the plate. Now, let the chicken meat cool down for a few minutes. Then we peel the chicken meat into small strips. Use the hand. The strips don't need to be very tiny. Like this size is okay, as long as they can get the taste inside the meat. Now, we put all the vegetables on the top of the meat. And put the chopped garlic in the middle of the vegetables. Then add in the roasted peanuts if you like. Now we add in light soy sauce. Add in sesame oil. Mix everything in the container well Take some salad to try. If you feel light, then add in a pinch of salt. Then cut this lemon from the middle and squeeze lemon juice over the salad. Now we have everything in the container. Let's mix everything well. It is such a beautiful salad. Now I transfer them into a plate. Now it's the time for me to eat my lunch. I cannot wait to try this salad. I eat this salad with my purple rice with beans. The first bite of this salad. Wow, the chicken meat, the carrots, the onion, everything is so tasty. It is the best plate of the summer. If you like my recipe, don't forget to click subscribe as well as the bell notification button below. Then you never miss any of my recipe. Thank you so much for your watching. See you next time.